Good evening. Here's a quick little update. I have been dry fasting for 61 hours and about 18 minutes. I know I said I wanted to go to 72, but I really want to be able to sleep tonight. I didn't sleep very well last night, and I took a nap today, but since the whole goal here is to be able to get enough rest, I've stretched my body out with this fast, but at the same time, I feel like I've made some progress getting back to the way I was before crazy January. So this has been good, but I am gonna drink right now, and I want to share it with you. So from what I've read online, my kidneys are working overtime. My body feels really hot, but my husband just said that I feel cool. But I feel so hot right now. I was walking to my car and there was this patch of untouched snow. We got 4 new inches of snow yesterday and early this morning, and I stuck my face in it, and it felt so good because I am just on fire right now because my kidneys are working so hard. Sorry, my brain is not working so hard. My body is really acidic right now. That's what I've learned about dry fasting. So I'm putting a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here. Just about that much. And then to protect my teeth and also help my kidneys, this is just good for like cleaning the kidneys out, I guess. Lemon juice does the same thing. And then to help with the acidity, this is some baking soda, and it is also going to neutralize the acidity actually right now. Yay, little fizzies, so that it's not so hard on my teeth. I'm going to chug this though, and then I have snake juice ready to go for the rest of the evening. This is just salt water. I didn't even put lemon in it this time. And then I also have a special treat. I love these seltzer waters. I don't really care about the brand, but this is a brand that's been on sale lately, so I'm going to have some of this too. I'm really, really excited. Okay. Oh, sorry, the fumes already got to me. I haven't even had a drink yet. Wow! I'm turning all red. Okay. Which is why you're subscribed to this channel, right? So you can watch me turn bright red. Maybe the light in here is bad enough you can't tell. Yay! Okay, that's all. 61-hour dry fast ended. And I'm looking forward to the rest of February. I actually went over, I redid my little workout chart for the week, and I need to reprint it out. But what I'm going to do is my workout 3 days a week, and then I am developing a rolling program, like body rolling, for my neck and my back to kind of be a counterpart to that, so I can kind of have a rest day because rolling isn't as intense as far as muscle building. Help me loosen up some things that have been getting tight. And yeah, that's the plan. So pulling back a little bit on the workouts and doing just a little bit more maintenance stuff today. But I did go to class this morning and it felt really great. I did everything on point. So the strength is coming. I just want to keep continuing to get strength while I also cut down on all the flub on my waistline and my neck and everything. Have a great night. Happy feasting, happy fasting, and happy dancing.